Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Anuradha Mohan and you're in the channel of Wasted by Fashion. Can you see how nicely this goes on? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about removing your makeup and why it is so important. So as long as you're keeping your skin clean, healthy and removing your makeup before you go to bed, it's gonna last. Your skin is gonna thank you later. Your skin is gonna look nice when you get older. Let's get to it, guys. So to begin with, I usually tie my hair because it helps me take the product out properly before bed. So I'm just gonna tie my hair up so that there is no disturbance at all. Done. In my case, I usually use a cotton pad. I just got a bunch of these from Miniso, so it's like super cheap, guys. It's like barely, I think, 200 bucks. I usually use Neutrogena's eye makeup remover, and it actually is suited in the full face. So I'm gonna use the same one on all over my face, and it actually works all over my face, like at least for me. I'm just gonna make it super wet. And I'm just gonna take a mirror or whatever, or this thing, and wipe it. Can you see how nicely this goes on? So you can actually see it's like beautifully going off. Use the same cotton pad, take more of the solution and remove it. So what I usually do is put it on my fake lashes so that it comes off easily out. I'm gonna do it on both my eyes and rinse my face after that. There's so much of product. Did you see your eyelashes come quite easily if you're applying makeup remover and then taking it off? And wash my face super cleanly and come back. So I'm back. I washed my face. So clean. Take any moisturizer that you have. You don't have to have something super expensive like 3K, 4K bucks. Especially if it's body butter, it's better. Especially for girls like me who have very dry skin. You can do this. Always apply a little bit towards the upward direction rather than putting your skin down, so that your skin stays a little youthful. So you're done. I'm gonna take a little bit of lip mask, so I'm using Laneige lip mask. Like, this is literally something I swear by. I'm gonna apply. So you can see my skin is super clean now. I don't have any product on my skin, and it's really important to sleep this way. I hope you like it because this is super doable. I'm not giving you 20 procedures. 3 things you need to do. Remove your makeup in the night before you sleep, the bed. Whenever you're hitting the bed, don't wear makeup, guys. Please don't. 2, always moisturize your skin, especially if you're using makeup removers or using a lot of products on your face. Your skin will tend to dry. So apply a good moisturizer. 3, always apply lip balm, because in my case I apply a lip mask because my lip gets too dry, but you can apply a lip balm as well if that's cheaper for you. So I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, and then do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also to click the bell icon right down below. So until next time, bye bye from Anuradha Mohan. Bye guys.